Hey guys, coming to you live with my boosted cornrows, whatever you want to call these. In today's video, I will be installing / styling this beautiful 613 bob wig that I received from Modern Show Hair. This wig is 14 inches. I'll insert a clip. I think I have clips of me toning the hair because of course 613 is much more yellow than this, if you didn't know. So I'll probably insert those clips. What I'm gonna do off camera real quick is apply my bald cap, because I do the bald cap method. If you're curious on what that is or what that looks like or how to do it, there's many videos on YouTube. I just want to include it in this video because I really want to focus on styling this wig because I've never had a 613 wig and I am very curious about how the fuck this is about to go. I'll see y'all when I look bald head for real. So okay, so this is what we're working with. I cut the lace for the most part. I didn't really cut the sides, real, the ear caps, but I'm gonna do that later. And today I think I'm gonna use my ghost form just because I don't feel like dealing with this today. Because look at this, like look at this, look at this. I don't want to deal with this today, or I might. No, I'm not. So I'm gonna try this ghost line. I'm gonna do 3 layers. Hopefully it lasts for at least 3 days. But that's the thing, because I know Trina gonna come through and last a whole week. But Trina almost gone, so I'm going to use this. This is one here right here. And I'm going to make a little line where I need to start where the blue can't go past. Is this a pretty? Okay. So I'm gonna have to make some tweaks to my ball cap too. Okay. I'm trying to get some modifications. I think I got it right now. So I'm gonna take my alcohol and I'm gonna clean it up. I haven't cleaned the makeup on my forehead. Oh, I have a lot of makeup on my forehead. Okay, so I'm going to pluck my little part. I think it looks a little wide right now because it's blonde, but it's not. So I want to get it more defined. And the reason I'm taking the water is because when I was putting makeup on my lace, it kind of bled through, and that's probably why my part looks so wide. Okay, I'm editing this video a couple weeks after, or maybe 3 weeks even after I installed it. And I just want to quickly talk about the mistakes I made while just wearing this wig in general. So I'm not doing shit important, so I'm just going to talk. So after I installed the wig, I don't know if I recorded it or talked about it, I used a lot of heat on this hair. And at the time, it didn't register in my mind that this is 613 hair. This is like the highest possible processed hair ever, and I was putting over 400-degree heat on it. So if you do get this wig, do not do that shit. That was so dumb of me. And now I just look back at it and regret it. Regret it? Ooh, she don't speak English. But yeah, that's all I really wanted to say. Other than that, it was a good wig. She had her run, but I watercolored her, and I might do another video just showing you what she looks like. I don't know. Now I'm about to glue it because it's not glued. Like I said, I'll be using my ghost bond. My camera's about to die, so I'm just gonna do this until it dies, and I'll catch ya. Okay, while I'm doing my glue, I just want to quickly talk about how I was, absent from YouTube for a couple weeks, and it's mainly because my external hard drive cord, the cord stopped connecting to my computer, so I had to get a new one, and that took a while. And after I did that, school just started piling up, and like I wasn't motivated to do YouTube or whatever, but now I am, and I should be more consistent. I plan to post at least once or twice a week, so be looking forward to that. And yeah. Amelia, can you bring me like a plastic knife? They be in the drawer beside the real ones. Thank you. Stay up to my YouTube channel. Hey, your second appearance. Y'all know what's going on? Alright. You can take this stuff out, right? Yeah. Okay. So I was stupid and didn't put the camera on the charger. So let's see how we do this. I am so scared because I'm not liking it right now. Like, I don't know what I need to do to like it, but I need to figure out ASAP. I'm ready to get the fuck. No, like, all jokes aside, I don't know what to do. Okay, this is literally footage of me being a dumbass and applying 410 degrees of fucking heat to its already processed hair. Don't be me. And I used a hot comb on the top. Oh my gosh. Like, oh my god. Bitch, I'm a dumbass. What the fuck? Why is this my life? Like, I'm really maybe I gotta see the whole fit, you know. I got this on because I'm scared, like I said, to look at my lace. I need to melt because it ain't melted right now. I do need to do my matchstick. So I'm gonna hit this with the blow dryer and then do the little hot comb matchstick thing. So, like my edges, oh, okay, could be better, could be worse, I guess, but we're gonna take this and light it down. I just hate that my edges disappeared, literally disappeared. How do I get them back? Does anybody know? I want my edges back. I guess I'd have to make them thicker, right? I feel like if I was darker, maybe it would look better, but I'm not, so shit, you know? Okay, I'm gonna define my middle part somehow. I guess I'm gonna pluck it. I'm just like low-key hating my life right now. Like, am I gonna go to school looking like this? Do I have a choice? I mean, ooh, I hate my life right now. Pray for me. I'll come back to you when I got myself together. Hey guys, so I'm back and I'm better. So my, little breakdown didn't end until today, which is the next morning. Afternoon, actually. This was a struggle, and this is the end result. I did some plucking, some edges, of course. I should pluck this side a little bit more, but since we're not in the mood for real, I had all night to charge my camera. Did I do it? Of course not. That kind of be responsible. I don't know. So I'm done, I'm gonna pluck this side a little, like I said I was just now, because it is plucked more on the other side. I want it to look kind of even. Okay, I think that looks alright. We good. This side is just holding up better than this side. I keep having to curl this side, so what I'm going to let this side do is like fall on its own and hope it just like equals out to this. so this is the install. Like I said, I think I said I was using Ghost Bond. I feel like my lace isn't as slayed as it usually is, but it still looks good. I still look good. So that's all for this video. I think I want to do people's reactions to when they see my hair. So I might do that. Oh, I really want to see my mom's reaction because she has not seen it. She's been asking to see it, but I'm like, huh, not yet. I even put my hoop in. My nose ring. I need to clean my nose ring while I'm over here just touching it. It kind of hurts now. So I'll catch you guys in the next one. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you want to, sis. I'm not going to force you to do anything you don't want to do. But I highly recommend you do all of that. Especially comment. Tell me what you think. This camera saying it's been dying for a long time. So I'm really going to hop off this little beat. And I'll catch y'all boys in the next one. Bye.